Welcome to STM TV, Week 6, Term 3.
This week we'll be interviewing people from 1-2 Thomas, 5-6 Thomas and the Father's Day breakfast.
Welcome to STM TV. What's your name?
Reuben.
And what's your name?
Eddie.
What class are you in?
1, 2, 3.
And what would you like to share about your learning today?
We customised bags and made them with a sewing machine, and then we got to take them home.
That sounds exciting.
What would you like to share about your learning today, Reuben?
We all made paper aeroplanes and we all tested them to see which one went to the surface.
Which one do you think was the best?
The purple.
Welcome to STM TV. What's your name?
I'm Maeve
What class are you in?
in 5-6T.
What would you like to share about from learning today?
Every Friday, the gifted people from our school go to Laminia for one-day school, and at one-day school we've been learning about starting a business and raising money for a good cause.
Where have you donated all the money that you've raised?
Well, me and Marina have raised roughly $120, so we're going to donate all that to Vinnie's.
Thank you for watching this episode of STM TV.
Thank you for all the students who shared in today's episode.
Happy Father's Day for Sunday. Thanks for watching.